What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Highlander remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2024 to 2025 Toyota Highlanders, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now taking a look at the bottom of the key fob, in that space where this key just came out of, you can see there's this slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that slot, make sure it's pushed in as far as you can. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it opens the key fob case. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and pull the back cover off. And we see our battery right here. Now I'm going to use the end of the key to get under the edge of the battery right here and pop it out of the battery holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And if your circuit board is moved around at all, go ahead and get it positioned down in that clear rubber piece, like that. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.